Pure Vidarbha Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with 6 inches Jari Vidarbha borders. Very beautiful, done on premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. A beautiful pallu in running color. The color is very different, a rust color, and we have block prints in the pallu as well. We also have a plain blouse piece here, same color as the body with Vidarbha borders. The body is also in the same color. The design is very pretty, mild printed using half white, and we also have the Kodi pattern prints in the both sides. Beautiful saree, simple and elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted and hand block printed. Very different concept, and we have a beautiful pallu here, royal blue and white base, and the white we have hand painted floral pattern. You can see the artistic work, very beautifully done. And we have a plain royal blue color blouse piece with tri-layer border concept. This is again a unique concept. The saree is in green and blue, totally completely block printed in the top. And you can see the very pretty hand painting one in the bottom border. Beautiful saree, very colorful with authentic silk mark. Pure Vidarbha Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with 6 inches Vidarbha Jari borders. Golden Jari used for the Vidarbha border here. Exclusive design done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. We have very beautiful rust color pallu with block prints in blue and white in the pallu. We also have Jari lines vertically, and we have same blouse piece, plain one, and one side we have a blue borders. The saree is in copper sulphate blue color in the middle, and the top and bottom we have half white color with block prints. We have a deer pattern, very beautifully printed, as well as the traditional pattern in blue. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted and hand block printed, both mingled version, done on boiled acid washed fabric. Very beautiful, soft, lightweight fabric. This is the pallu. We have a dual color pallu, half white and pink is given, and in the pallu also we have beautiful hand painting design. Excellent artwork along with the Jari lines. We have a very different blue, Nananda blue color blouse piece with pink borders. This is a different concept border, a tri-layer border. You can see the borders. And we have multiple, the Ganga Jamuna pattern. In the top half we have the blue, on the lower border we have pink, and the body portion we have, you can see two different versions. The lower part is completely hand painted, the above we have hand block printed. We also have the writings part. It's almost a checked pattern, multiple colors are used for it. Very beautiful saree, lot to explain, very beautiful, artistic with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, Vidarbha borders, premium quality, hand block printed with 6 inches Jari Vidarbha borders, an exclusive pattern. Border sarees here, gold Jari used for the Jari border, and we have a boiled tussar fabric. A very different blue color pallu. The saree also in same color, dark shade blue but very beautiful shade. And we have block printing in the pallu as well as vertical Jari lines. The complete saree is in same color with block printing in white. We also have the Kodi pattern printing in both side borders. Excellent color with authentic silk mark. Pure Vidarbha Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with 6 inches Jari Vidarbha borders. Gold Jari used for it, an exclusive design border. And we have a acid wash boiled tussar fabric. The pallu is in pink, a light pink color with beautiful block prints in Pochampalli design, bird pattern. And we also have the pink blouse piece with one side dark blue borders in the Vidarbha base. The saree is in navy blue color with big checks, and we have block printed elephant pattern in the body, and we also have lower border. Completely the Pochampalli bird design is given. A very beautiful saree. Combination is extraordinary with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted and hand block printed, a mixed variety, done on pure boiled tussar acid washed premium fabric. We have a dual color pallu here, orange and grey. You can see the hand painted design in the pallu using black color. We also have jari lines, and we have a contrast orange blouse piece, and the saree is very pretty vertical striping pattern. We have the polka dots design and the hand paint zigzag pattern alternatively given throughout the saree, and at the lower half we have the grey in the top and the top design in the bottom along. So partly type half saree model saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted and hand block printed. A very different color saree here, light brown color, and we also have half white. Pallu have very beautiful hand painting design along with the jari lines, and we have the same brown blouse piece, plain blouse piece. The saree have a very beautiful tri-layer border concept, not just jari border, it's a tri-layer, very different and exclusive one. And the body is again a very beautiful one. You can see the diagonal lines and block printing design in the body, and we have the hand painting design in the bottom. Floral one, excellent design, unique one with authentic silk mark. Pure Vidarbha Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with 6 inches jari Vidarbha borders, gold jari used for it, an exclusive pattern done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. We have a very beautiful pink pallu, beautiful block print design in the pallu, and we have same plain pink blouse piece with one side red borders. The saree is in very beautiful shade, a red saree. You can see the orangish red, and we have the borders in pink. The lower border is a very big border in pink, and we have the block printing bird pattern. We also have peacocks. The colors look really fantastic with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted and hand block printed, a mixed version. A very beautiful boiled tussar fabric, acid washed premium fabric. This is the pallu of the saree. We have green and half white color pallu with excellent painting work, beautiful artwork, and we have same green, light green color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body have a pretty work. In the full first half we have a block printed one completely done using the green, and we have the hand paint design in the lower bottom. Beautiful design. The color choice is very mild and pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted and hand block printed design. A very beautiful boiled tussar fabric, acid washed premium fabric. We have a royal blue and a half white color pallu with hand painting peacock feather design, beautiful design, and also we have jari lines in the saree, and we have a very contrast orange blouse piece. Blouse piece also have both sides tri-layer border. The border is also an exclusive design. And the saree is in half white color with the block prints in the top, orange and royal blue used for the printing, small leaf design, peacock leaf, and the same peacock feather design is painted in the lower half alone. Very pretty design, beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Vidarbha Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with 6 inches jari Vidarbha borders, an exclusive design borders saree here, done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. We have a very beautiful color saree. The complete saree, blouse as well as pallu are in same color, a peach color, mild peach, the most demanded color, rare one in the tussar, and this is the pallu, block printed pallu. The complete saree having mild block printing, the droplets design using half white color, and we also have the Kodi pattern printed in both sides of the borders. Beautiful saree, pastel shade with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted and hand block printed. New design done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. We have a brown and red color pallu with vertical jari lines. We have a very beautiful border also, a tri-layer exclusive design border, and we have a very contrast brown blouse piece. The saree have a batik concept also, completely batik printed on the half white color, and you can see the hand painted design, just brush printed, and we also have the hand painting floral pattern. Beautiful pattern with the red borders. Classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Vidarbha Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with 6 inches jari Vidarbha borders. Gold jari used for it. Exclusive design done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. We have a tri-color pallu here. Purple, orange and pink is given in the pallu with jari lines. And we have a plain purple blouse piece. Very contrast one for the body. The saree is in a very different pattern. Half white base. And we have the stripings. The pallu color tri-colors are given in vertical striping pattern in the saree. And we have beautiful purple bird sitting on a stick design block printed. We have the purple in the borders as well. Very beautiful with authentic silk mark.